They're the in crowd, we're the other ones. It's a different kind of
like
cloth
that?
that we cut from. We let our colors show where the numbers ain't. We're the paint where there ain't supposed to be paint.
MFK,
That's who
baby.
we are. That's how we roll. The outsiders. The outsider.
Turn around. It's over under that squirrel. I don't know if it's a cat or a coyote. It's right in that point. You're gonna need the rifle, I'm sure. I seen it turn around and go back the other way. That squirrel is looking at it, whatever it is. I seen it move right up under where that squirrel, it like turned, it wheeled around right there. But I never seen it come out the other side. I think it's a cat. see it, I see it, I see it. Hold on. I'm on him now. You smoked him, didn't you?
Like
Oh, yeah.
hot and jolly, baby. It's a cat killer.
On the MFK double slash.
He went down right there, didn't he?
I think so. I seen fur fly in the camera.
That squirrel sitting there looking at it.
Oh, yeah. That's what got me paying attention right there was that squirrel. That squirrel gave him away. We probably wouldn't have killed it had it not been for that squirrel. Oh, yeah. That's what got me paying attention right there was that squirrel. That squirrel gave him away. We probably wouldn't have killed it had it not been for that squirrel. I've been watching that. He backdoored us. Shoot.
He did go down, didn't he?
I'm pretty sure. I seen fur fly. He had us pegged, though. He was looking right at us. All I had was his head and upper head on, or from his chest up to his head on camera.
Heck, the wind blowing right towards him.
Well, it's kind of angling up his heel a little bit. Is the only thing saved us. But yeah, that squirrel's still barking at him. I'll show everybody what gave him away. That squirrel gave that cat up. He was kind of hard over my shoulder. I heard that squirrel go to bark and I started watching. I was watching that way anyway because it's kind of downwind. The way we're set up, they could come from either direction. And anyway, heard that squirrel bark and started watching, and sure enough, I caught movement. Thought it was a cat. I didn't realize there was a lip right there. That's why we couldn't see him anymore. It's a lip. But anyway, good shot. I know you smoked him. That squirrel's looking at him dead, barking. We'll go over and drag that thing up here in a second and take a look at him. Oh yeah.
I like the little cats.
It's a pretty sucker.
I like blowing their heads off too.
Oh man. Yeah. Put the hurt on that one. What's got some pretty spots? Show them belly spots. Hold it up by his back legs.
Man, that blew his head off.
Yeah, that's about all you could see. That's a good shot. Dang good shot. Had to swap over from the shotgun to the rifle and all that good stuff.
I thought it was a bigger cat than that.
We don't call. Pretty sucker boy. But fill y'all in right quick on how we were set up, because we didn't do an intro to this. All this is some drainages, big wide open stuff, and typical for us rather than set. Most people would have topped the hill and set on the hill behind us. We got a crosswind coming back this way, and they would have watched this whole side hill, and it might would have worked. But typically, we set in the woods with the wind blowing back out in the open, and try to kill them real close, which is
Even in open fields.
yeah, even in open ground like we're hunting in right now. And I'm not saying the other way doesn't work, but it doesn't work as well for us as actually setting in the edge of the timber with the wind blowing out into the opening, because they've got to circle downwind of you out in the opening and expose themselves. And Usually gives us a lot closer shot that way. But anyway, we just slipped in, come over the hill from behind us, slipped right in here. There's a creek right here, right behind the camera. The camera's sitting on the bank of the creek, and we were looking up and down both ways on this, what timber is left on this creek drainage. A few minutes on
Dope slush.
his signature sound, Old Cotton Jolly. You can get that on the Icotech too, which we got it hanging right there. Hadn't had to turn it on yet. The MFK diaphragms have been putting them in our lap. Second cat of the day, and called the first one in on the MFK rootless rabbit diaphragm. I was calling, and Jolly was filming, and this time we flip-flopped. I was on the camera, and he was doing the calling. But it didn't take long. Pulled this cat right in. It kind of come in over our shoulder. We were primarily focused this direction because there's more timber this way. But we knew something could come from this direction, so we were keeping a check on that too. And old fox squirrel helped us out over there because this cat was putting a sneak on Jolly. Jolly was sitting there just to the left by that big tree, and old cat was sneaking up behind him, go get him a little Old Cotton Jolly. And fox squirrel told on him. Heard that fox squirrel go to barking, started watching that way a little closer, and sure enough, right here in this point, I think you can see it over my shoulder. The cat was slipping right up through there. Didn't get a whole lot of footage of it because it's a drop off, but
He did a gun swap on me.
yeah, you were sitting there holding the shotgun, hoping for some tight stuff right here on the creek, and swapped over to the rifle. It was probably still pretty close. I mean, we shot the cat at about 60 to 70 yards, and anyway, got swapped around, and the cat made the mistake of poking his head up over that lip. And when it popped its head up, it got popped.
Done.
All she wrote.
Boom.
But we still got about an hour or two before dark. We are going to make more stands. So, hopefully we'll be back here in just a second with something else did. But to get any of our stuff, to get the diaphragms, to get our sound library for the MFK edition Icotech, if you can't run the diaphragms, just go to our website, MFK Game Calls. You can pick any of the stuff up there. If you're watching this hunt, we'll see a lot more of them. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel, MFK Game Calls, and we've got a ton of other stuff there. And I think it'll help you out with your predator hunting. And if nothing else, you get to watch a lot of killing. Appreciate y'all watching. Let's go get something else. Let's go.